Welcome to the How to Extend an ASP.NET website tutorial. We have here an empty ASP.NET site, and we will start by adding a new project. We will add a Visual Web Gui Library so it can be referenced from the ASP.NET site, and we'll call it Web Gui Library 1. And we're going to add a new form to that library, and let's add a tab control, and within the tab control let's add a bit some controls. Let's add a button, and let's have the button raise the message box. Okay, so now we have a Visual Web Gui library. Let's compile the library, and we can close all the open windows, and let's go ahead and add a bin directory to the ASP.NET site, and let's add all the necessary references. We'll go ahead to the gizmox references and add the gizmox.webgui.common and the gizmox.webgui.forms and the gizmox.webgui.server. And we will also add a reference to the new library we created. Okay. Now we have the website with all the necessary references. What we need to do is edit the web config. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a new Visual Web Gui project, just so we will have the default web config of the Visual Web Gui. And let's start by copying the configuration section of the Web GUI, and let's add it to the ASP.NET site. It should be within the configuration section, and we also need to copy the HTTP handler and add it within the system.web of the ASP.NET configuration. And we also need to fix the application reference. It should be to the Web GUI library. That's the name of the assembly and the default namespace. And now we can go ahead and change the property pages to load by default the form1.regex form, and we should be able to run the application. Okay, so now we have WebGui running within the ASP.NET site. We can remove the WebGui application, we don't need it. And what we can do is we can go to the default ASPX and add the WebGui control, the WebGui form to the default ASPX. So let's do it. We'll go ahead and add the register processing instruction, and we'll go ahead and map the assembly. It's the gizmox.webgui.forms, and we'll copy this text and map the namespace, which is gizmox.webgui.hosts, and the tag prefix will be VWG. So now we'll go ahead and add the tag. It's the VWG, and we have the form box, which enables us to embed Visual Web GUI forms within the ASP.NET ASP page. We'll say run at equals server, and the form will be form 1, which we mapped in the web config. Let's set the height to be 300 pixels and the width to be 300 pixels as well. So now we should have the ASPX page showing the WebGui form. Let's see if we succeeded. Okay, we have the ASP.NET page, and we have the Visual WebGui form displaying within the ASP.NET page. That's how you embed Visual WebGui within a existing website. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.